Hello dear students, in this video we are going to do sequences and series, chapter number 2 of Maths 2. Here exercise 2.1, see geometric sequence. See GP means what? If Tn plus 1 upon Tn is constant for all n, then the sequence is in what? GP, geometric progression. तो यहाँ पे first question क्या है? Exercise 2.1. See, the first question is what? Check whether the following sequence they are in GP or not. So let's take this example number 3. Sub question number 3, we will check it whether it is in GP or not. So here T1 first term is root 5. Then T2 second term is equal to 1 by root 5. T3 third term is equal to 1 upon 5 root 5. Okay, and so on. So if we take ratio of T2 upon T1, we will check T2 upon T1. So what is this ratio? T2 upon T1. So 1 by root 5, okay, 1 by root 5 divided by root 5, okay, it gives us 1 upon 5. Then T3 upon T2, what ratio you will get? What is our T3? T3 is 1 upon 5 root 5, and T2, what is T2? It is 1 upon root 5. Okay, this root 5 is getting cancelled, and again you are getting here 1 by 5. 1 by 5. It means T2 upon T1, T3 upon T2. Again, if you find T4 upon T3, you will get 1 upon 5. So that is T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2 is equal to, and so on. That is equal to what? 1 upon 5. That is constant. The ratio is constant. The ratio is constant. Therefore, this sequence Tn is in GP. Is in what? GP. This sequence Tn is in GP. Yes. Further, this nth term you have to find. What is here? A. First term is A, and it is equal to what? Root 5. Or common ratio R is equal to 1 upon 5. So that you can find Tn, that is nth term of GP, is given by AR raised to power n minus 1. AR raised to power n minus 1. So what is Tn over here? यहाँ पे Tn क्या होगा? A is root 5 और R common ratio is equal to 1 upon 5. So it is 1 upon 5 raised to power n minus 1. This will be nth term of GP. See here, this will be nth term of GP. It is nth term of GP. That is root 5 into 1 upon 5 raised to power n minus 1. Yes. Similarly, these questions we can do. अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करते हैं. फॉर GP R दिया है, A दिया है और T7 फाइंड करना है. So you have to find here 7th term of GP. What will be 7th term of GP? It is given by, see here, second question, first sub question of that. Okay, R is equal to 1 upon 3, A is equal to 9 और T7 फाइंड करना है आपको. You have to find what? T7. So Tn is given by AR raised to power n minus 1. So T7 is given by AR raised to power 7 minus 1, that is 6. What is our A? 9. और R कितना है? 1 upon 3 raised to power 6. Okay, you can write it as 9 into 1 upon 9 और into 1 upon 3. यहाँ से हमने 2 पावर कम कर दिए, तो रेस्ट टू पावर हाउ मच 4. So this 9 and 9 is getting cancelled and finally you are getting T7 is equal to what? T7 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to power 4, मतलब कितना 81. Done. It is 81. Then next question is R is given minus 3. This second sub question, A is 7 upon 243, R is 3 और T6 फाइंड करना है बेटा. We'll find what? T6. So T6 is given by what? A R raised to power how much? 5. T6 you have to find. Here A is equal to, see second sub question, A is equal to 7 upon 243 और R is equal to 3. हमें T6 फाइंड करना है. T6 is given by what? A R raised to power 5. What is our A? A is 7 upon 243. This is what A. और R कितना है 3 raised to power 5. तो क्लियरली 3 raised to power 5 कितना होता है देखो. इट इज 7 upon 243 और into 3 raised to power 5. It is 81 into 3, that is 243. 243 होता है, that is 3 raised to power 5. Now this 243 is getting cancelled and finally you are getting P6 is equal to how much? 7. So sixth term of this GP is what? 7. अभी next question is what? Third sub question. Here third sub question is, if R is equal to minus 3, R minus 3 है और T6 is given, that is 1701 और हमें फाइंड करना है A. A is to be find out here. T6 means what? Listen here. T6 is equal to AR raised to power 5, that is T6. R is known to us और T6 भी पता है आपको, 1701, that is equal to A. A is to be find out here R minus 3 raised to power 5, which is odd power है तो नेगेटिव ही होगा, माइनस साइन होगा. सो इट इज माइनस 3 raised to power 5 is 243 into what? A. और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है बेटा? 1701. यस, 1701 हम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं 243 into 7. ओके, सी 243 into 7. That is equal to minus 243 into 8. Let's do this. 243 into 7. So what will give? 1, that is 2 carry, then 0, 3, 14 and this 3, that is equal to what? 17. This multiplication here, so that this 243 और ये 243 cancel होगा and finally you are getting our answer A is equal to what? minus 7. Done. So A is equal to what? minus 7. फिर इसके बाद next question, that is sub question number 4. What is this sub question number 4? A is given, T6 is given and you have to find what? R. R is to be find out. Fourth sub question is A is equal to 2 by 3 or T6 is equal to 162 और R फाइंड करना है, R फाइंड करना है. हाँ, so what is this T6? T6 is equal to what? AR raised to power 5. Tn is AR raised to power n minus 1. So T6 is this. What is our T6? 162 it is given. Okay, T6 is equal to 162 is given. 162 is equal to A. A is also known to us 2/3 और R फाइंड करना है आपको, R raised to power 5. Now this is R raised to power 5 is equal to 3 into 3/2 into 162. हाँ, तो इसको हम रिड्यूस करेंगे, दैट इज 81 आएगा. ये 81 मतलब 3 raised to power 4 है. 81 मतलब कितना? 3 raised to power 4 और 3 raised to power 5 आएगा टोटल. ओके, 3 raised to power 1 and into 3 raised to power 4. That is R is raised to power 5 is equal to 3 raised to power 5. So what is R? Therefore R must be equal to what? 3. Therefore R must be equal to what? 3. So R is equal to 3 we are getting. अभी इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज दिस थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन? विच टर्म ऑफ जीपी, ओके, विच टर्म ऑफ जीपी is 5 raised to power 10. So which term of GP is 5 raised to power 10? See here, question number 3 or question number 3 we are doing. Terms of GP are what? 5, 25, then 125, here 625 and so on. These are the terms of GP. Here what is first term? A is equal to 5 or common ratio R is equal to what? T2 upon T1 you can write. What will be T2? 25. What is T1? It is 5 and you are getting it is equal to 5. That means R is equal to what? 5. A is 5 and R is also equal to 5. Then Tn, what is Tn? Tn, nth term. Tn is equal to AR raised to power n minus 1 and it is equal to A is what? 5 or R is also equal to what? 5. It is n minus 1. Now R raised to power 5 raised to power n minus 1 into 5 raised to power 1. So it gives us 5 raised to power n. हाँ, अब ये इसे इक्वेट करेंगे हम. यहाँ पे द टर्म इज गिवन, विच टर्म ऑफ जीपी इज 5 raised to power 10. So let's say let nth term of GP, okay, nth term of GP is 5 raised to power 10. तो हमें n फाइंड करना है. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट? n. देयरफॉर व्हाट इज आवर nth टर्म ऑफ जीपी? इट इज दिस Tn इज इक्वल टू 5 raised to power n है एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? से 5 raised to power 10. मतलब n must be equal to what? 10. n must be equal to what? 10. Therefore T10, okay, therefore T10 that is equal to 5 raised to power n मतलब 5 raised to power 10. Okay, so what did you infer? 10th term of GP. Therefore 10th term of GP, okay, 10th term of GP is 5 raised to power what? 10. Getting it? 10th term of GP is 5 raised to power 10. Then we will do now next question, that is question number 4. See, stop this question number 4. We will do this fifth question. Question number 5 we will do. Yes, for a sequence Tn, what is given 5 raised to power n minus 3 upon 2 raised to power n minus 3. Show that this sequence is GP. Find its first term and the common ratio. Therefore, what will be Tn plus 1? What will be Tn plus 1? मतलब n we replace by what? N plus 1. So it is 5 raised to power n plus 1 or minus 3 upon 2 raised to power n plus 1 minus 3. It means 5 raised to power n minus 2 upon 2 raised to power n minus 2. 1 minus 3, it is minus 2. This is what Tn plus 1. Now you take ratio Tn plus 1 divided by Tn. What will be this ratio? मतलब 5 raised to power n minus 2 upon 2 raised to power n minus 2 divided by, means multiplying by its reciprocal, 2 raised to power n minus 3 upon 5 raised to power what? n minus 3. रेसिप्रोकल इसका क्या होगा? 2 raised to power n minus 3 upon 5 raised to power n minus 3. Then this is equal to what? n minus 2 और ये n minus 3, तो ये होगा 5. 2 raised to power n minus 2 और 2 raised to power n minus 3, so ये होगा 2. Yes, this is what Tn plus 1 upon Tn. That means this Tn plus 1 upon Tn is what? Constant. It is free from n. तो ये है constant. Ratio क्या है? Constant है. Now as this ratio is constant, therefore what did we infer? Therefore this sequence Tn is in GP. Okay, is in GP. If the ratio is constant, then the sequence is in what? GP. अभी therefore common ratio, okay, R is what? Common ratio, and common ratio is equal to how much? Tn plus 1 upon Tn. Tn plus 1 upon Tn. What is that? It is 5 by 2. So common ratio R is equal to 5 by 2. Okay, it is 5 by 2. Common ratio R is equal to 5 by 2. Now we have to find what? First term of this GP. Nth term is given. इसमें n is equal to 1 रखते हैं तो it will be first term. Here nth term Tn is equal to 5 raised to power n minus 3 upon 2 raised to power n minus 3. Therefore first term is T1. So we put n is equal to what? 1. First term T1 is equal to 5 raised to power 1 minus 3. N is equal to, n is replaced by what? 1, and 2 raised to power 1 minus 3. Sorry, it is 2 raised to power 1 minus 3. Means it is 5 raised to power minus 2 upon 2 raised to power minus 2, which is first term T1 is equal to, या A भी लिख सकते हैं हम, T1 is equal to, okay, it is 2 by 5 raised to power negative है इसलिए 2 by 5 and raised to power what? 2, means it is 4 upon 25, means it is 4 upon 25. So what is first term? Common ratio is this. Okay, common ratio R is equal to 5 by 2, or first term T1 is equal to 4/25. 4/25. Okay, and common ratio is 5/2. So this is what question number 5. Now we will do question number 6. Find 3 terms in GP find three numbers in GP. See, 3 numbers in GP such that their sum is 21 and sum of their square is 189. So you should note that, see here, question number 6. Should note that when 3 terms are in GP, we will take that numbers as A upon R, A and AR. 4 numbers in GP will take A upon R cube, A upon R, AR and AR, okay, cube. So these 3, here question number 6 is what? Find 3 numbers in GP such that, so 3 numbers in GP will take like this, A upon R, A and AR, such that their sum is 21. मतलब A upon R plus A plus AR, this sum is equal to how much? It is equal to 21. This is first condition given. फिर इसके बाद sum of their squares, तो इन numbers का square, that will be A square upon R square, A square and A square R square. Sum of the squares of these numbers is equal to 189. Is equal to what? 189. ये कंडीशंस दिया है. नाउ व्हाट वी डू, इसको हम स्क्वायर करेंगे. ओके, ये इक्वेशन को क्या करेंगे? हम स्क्वायर करेंगे. तो स्क्वायरिंग दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, A अपॉन R प्लस A प्लस AR, यस, इसको हम क्या करेंगे? स्क्वायर करेंगे. 21 रेज़ टू पावर 2, 21 का स्क्वायर, which is 441. Then squaring this, what you will get? इसको स्क्वायर करेंगे, ये ब्रैकेट को हम स्क्वायर करेंगे. विल स्क्वायर दिस. ओके, सो लेट्स स्क्वायर दिस. इसको स्क्वायर करने पर आपको मिलेगा, here we will get A square upon R square, A square और A square R square, okay, तीनों टर्म का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ A अपॉन R इंटू A प्लस 2 टाइम्स A इंटू AR प्लस 2 टाइम्स ये फर्स्ट और लास्ट टर्म A अपॉन R इंटू AR. Okay, this is what expansion of A upon R, AR whole square. क्योंकि expansion of A plus B plus C का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Yes. So we are doing same A square, B square, C square, 2AB, 2BC and 2AC. What is the right hand side? Right hand side is 441. Now here see this equation we have. See in this equation what we have? A square upon R square, A square and A square R square, that is 189. ये दिया है, it is 189. So this we can write as 189. It is 189 प्लस इन सारे ब्रैकेट में से हम 2a कॉमन ले सकते हैं, 2a कॉमन लेंगे. सो व्हाट इज आफ्टर टेकिंग 2a कॉमन, यहाँ पे a अपॉन r आएगा, यस, प्लस यहाँ पे 2a कॉमन लिया तो ar रहेगा, और यहाँ से हम 2a कॉमन लिया तो r कैंसिल होगा यहाँ पे, और ओनली a will be there, and the right hand side is what, 441. What is the right hand side? 441. Now what is this? A upon r, ar और a, that is equal to what, this 21 है, it is 189 plus 2a into कितना, 21, that is equal to 441. That is equal to what, 441. Then see, it is 42a will be equal to 441 minus 189, which is equal to, see here, which is equal to is 2 6 then therefore a is equal to how much? Therefore a is equal to 262 divided by 42, it is 131 divided by 21. So it is therefore 252 it is, and so this 2 is getting cancelled here, it gives us 6. Therefore 21 into a is equal to 126. So a is equal to 126 divided by 21, which is 6. Therefore we are getting a is equal to how much? 6. So a is equal to 6 you are getting. We have to find numbers find करने हैं. So what are our numbers? See, our numbers are a upon r, a and ar. So इसके लिए हमें r common ratio find करना है. So we will consider the first equation. What is our first equation? Once you are getting a मिलने के बाद आपको r भी find करना है. So how to get r? See, our first equation is this: a upon r plus a plus ar, that is equal to 21. तो इसमें a सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है आपको. So a is 6. Let's take a common from here. 1 upon r plus 1 plus r, that is equal to what? 21. इसको हम रिड्यूस भी कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, यहाँ पे 7 आएगा. Then here what is the LCM? r. 1 plus r plus r square, okay, and that is equal to, हाँ, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या बचता है? 2. राइट हैंड साइड में 7. So therefore 2r square plus 2r plus 2 is equal to 7r. Cross multiplication will give this. So then you are getting a quadratic equation 2r square minus 5r, okay, plus 2 is equal to 0. 7r we are taking in the left hand side. Then okay, 4 we factorize into 4r square ना, तो मिडिल टर्म हम स्प्लिट करेंगे. 2r square minus, see this is 4 we split into, okay, 4 or 1, minus 4 or minus 1. So it is minus 4r minus r plus 2 is equal to 0. ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के फैक्टर्स होंगे 2r, here r minus 2 और माइनस साइन कॉमन r minus 2 is equal to 0. That means r minus 2 into 2r minus 1 into 2r minus 1. So either r is equal to, therefore r is equal to 2 आएगा या r is equal to क्या आएगा 1/2 आएगा. So or you are getting r is equal to 1/2. तो हमें a is equal to कितना मिल रहा है 6 और r is 2r 1/2 and r is equal to कितना मिल रहा है बेटा 2r 1/2. So accordingly you will get the numbers. ये numbers है a upon r, a and ar. These are the numbers, 3 numbers in GP. So you will get, therefore the required numbers are, so our required numbers are so what are our required numbers? Therefore required numbers are a upon r, a and ar. अगर हम r is equal to 2 लेते हैं तो a is 6 already. 6 divided by 2 मतलब 3, 6 और 6 into 2 that is 12. Okay, so you are getting this number. or अगर आप r is equal to 1/2 लेते हैं and a is equal to 6 लेते हैं तो a upon r मतलब 6 upon 1/2 that is equal to 12, 6 और a मतलब 6 into 1/2 that is equal to 3. So you are getting the numbers in GP. So either 3, 6, 12 or 12, 6, 3 are the numbers in GP. Next question, ये हुआ question that is 3 numbers in GP. We will take that numbers like this and we use the conditions. ये 2 conditions they are. So accordingly we will solve this. Then we will do next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is what? Find 4 numbers in GP. 4 numbers in GP. Find 4 numbers in GP such that sum of their middle 2 terms is what 10/3 and the product is what 1. So how to get 4 numbers in GP? So 4 numbers in GP, question number 7 is what? 4 numbers in GP will take as a upon r cube, a upon r, ar or ar cube. These are 4 numbers in GP. Now what is given? Find 4 numbers in GP such that sum of middle 2 numbers is 10/3. So middle 2 numbers are these: a upon r. First condition is this: ar sum of middle 2 numbers is equal to what? 10/3. and what is given next, and their products. Okay, and their products. So products of the numbers is a upon r cube, a upon r, ar and ar cube. This product, that is equal to how much? 1. Yes, this r cube is getting cancelled with this r cube. The r will get cancelled and you are getting here a raised to power 4 is equal to 1. Therefore a is equal to 1, and a is equal to 1. Here you put a is equal to 1 in the first equation, so we are getting here 1 upon r plus r is equal to 10 by 3. So 1 plus r स्क्वायर, थ्रू आउट इक्वेशन हम r से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आएगा 10r और ये 3 इधर मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यस, देयरफॉर 3r स्क्वायर minus 10r, okay, 10r we take in the left hand side plus 3 is equal to what? 0. Then 3 into 3 it is 9. We factorize 9 and 1, minus 9 and minus 1. So 3r square minus 9r, split the middle term, minus r plus 3 is equal to what? 0. So 3r, okay, यहाँ से minus 1 कॉमन लेते हैं. Okay, so it is r minus 3. R minus 3 is equal to what? 0. Therefore you are getting r is equal to what? Either 3 or 1 by 3. So we are getting either 3 or r is equal to what? 1 by 3. So a is equal to 1 or r is equal to 3 or 1 by 3. Now what are the numbers? Therefore we have to find the numbers. Therefore 4 numbers, a upon r cube. अगर हम r is equal to, if we take r is equal to 3 और a is already 1, 1 upon 3 cube मतलब 1 upon 27, then a upon r is what? A is 1 or r is 3. फिर AR is equal to what? 1 into 3, that is 3. फिर AR cube मतलब A is 1 or R is 3, 3 cube is 27. That is the numbers are what? 1 by 27, 1 by 3, 3 and 27. These are the numbers. अगर आप r is equal to 1 by 3 लेते हैं, so what you will get? It is 27. or same numbers in the reverse order you will get. मतलब पहले 27 आएगा, फिर बाद में 3 आएगा, ओके, 1 by 3 आएगा, क्योंकि r is equal to क्या ले रहे हैं आप? 1 by 3 ले रहे हैं. So और numbers are this a upon r cube. A is 1 और r cube मतलब 1 upon 27. 1 upon 1 upon 27. ये 1 upon 1 by 3 मतलब 3. ये 1 into this और 1 upon 27. So either this or this. So these are 4 numbers in GP. Okay, which satisfy these conditions. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 करते हैं. फाइंड 5 numbers in GP such that their product is 1024 and fifth term is square of the third term. So question is so easy. 5 numbers in GP you have to take. Okay, 5 numbers in GP. You have to find 5 numbers in GP question number 8. Let's do question number 8. Okay, what is this question number 8? Five numbers in GP. So we take that five numbers in GP as a upon r square, a upon r, AR and AR square. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. See here, three numbers in GP will take a upon r, a and AR. यहाँ पे हमें a upon r square और इधर AR square ऐड करना है. So that's five numbers in GP. अब कंडीशन क्या दिया है बेटा? Find five numbers in GP such that their product is 1024. तो इन पांच नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट a upon r square, a upon r, AR into AR square, this product is equal to 1024. Now here this r square is getting cancelled with this, r is getting cancelled with this, and finally you are getting a raised to power how much? 5, और ये है 2 raised to power 10, मतलब 4 raised to power 5, मतलब 1024. Therefore what did you infer? A is equal to what? 4. You are getting A is equal to how much? 4. अब हमें R फाइंड करना है, इसके लिए हमें सेकेंड कंडीशन यूज करनी है. फिफ्थ टर्म इज स्क्वायर ऑफ द थर्ड टर्म. ये हमारा फिफ्थ टर्म है, ये थर्ड टर्म है. व्हाट इज गिवन? T5 इज, मतलब फिफ्थ टर्म ओके इज स्क्वायर ऑफ द थर्ड टर्म, मतलब थर्ड टर्म का स्क्वायर. This is our third term, this is our fifth term. Okay, let's apply this condition. Fifth term is AR raised to power 2 is equal to square of the third term. Okay, हाँ, तो इसमें ये A कैंसिल होगा, एक A कैंसिल होगा, therefore R square is equal to A, and you are getting A is equal to how much? ये है हमारा A is equal to 4. Therefore you are getting R is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, R square is 4 means R is equal to plus or minus 2. So accordingly you are getting, अगर हम फर्स्ट टाइम R is equal to plus 2 लेते हैं, A is equal to 4 लेते हैं, so what numbers you are getting? See your numbers, therefore numbers are here A upon R square, A upon R, AR or AR square. These are the numbers. Okay, A is equal to how much? 4, or R is either plus 2 or minus 2. If we take A is 4 or R is plus 2, तो A upon R square मतलब पहला टर्म आएगा 1. A is 4 और R is equal to plus 2, तो 2 आएगा, ये 4 आएगा, प्लस 2 लिया तो ये 8 आएगा, 2 स्क्वायर 4 और 4 16 आएगा. और if you take R is equal to minus 2 लिया तो R square will be plus 4, 4 upon 4, A is equal to 4 है, that is 1. हाँ, A is 4 और ये minus 2 लिया तो ये minus 2 आएगा. A is 4, alternate sign change होगा. R is what? minus 2 लिया और ये 4, it is minus 8. फिर R is equal to minus 2 लिया तो 4 आएगा, plus 4 और 4 16, मतलब alternate sign यहाँ पे मिलेगा. 1 minus 2 plus 4 minus 8 plus 16. These are the numbers in GP. So yes students, यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में 5 numbers in GP, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में क्या है? 5 numbers in C, 4 numbers in GP, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में 3 numbers in GP. Then see here, question number 9 is what? Fifth term of GP is X, 8th term of GP is Y, 11th term of GP is Z. Verify this. ये easy question है. और we'll do question number 11 और 12 question करते हैं. So we'll do now question number 11 और question number 12. Let's do question number 11. Number of bacteria in a culture doubles every hour. If there were 50 bacteria originally 50 bacteria मतलब first term अपना ये A is equal to how much? 50. Yes बच्चों. In culture, see we are solving this 11th question. And how many bacteria will be there at the end of fifth hour? Initially ये तो फर्स्ट आवर में मतलब क्या है? आफ्टर 1 आवर, आफ्टर 1 आवर मतलब T2 होगा. T2 मतलब आफ्टर 1 आवर. T3 मतलब आफ्टर 2 आवर्स. आफ्टर 1 आवर मतलब T2, आफ्टर T3 मतलब आफ्टर 2 आवर्स. सो T4 मतलब आफ्टर 3 आवर्स. वी वांट आफ्टर एट द एंड ऑफ फिफ्थ आवर. सो एट द एंड ऑफ फिफ्थ आवर मतलब वी वांट T6. T6 is to be find out here. That is at the end of, okay, at the end of fifth hour. Yes. Okay, A is equal to this, or number of bacteria in a culture doubles in every hour. मतलब T2 क्या होगा? It doubles, मतलब 100 होगा. Okay, हाँ. So what is common ratio R? It is T2 upon T1. What is that? 100 divided by 50 मतलब 2. It doubles ना, it is 2. Common ratio R is equal to 2, or first term A is equal to 50. Therefore, at the end of fifth hour, okay, at the end of fifth hour मतलब T6 we want. It is AR raised to power 5. What is our A? 50, or R is equal to 2 raised to power 5. So T6 is equal to 50 into, okay, it is 32. It is 1600. Okay, this will be the number of bacteria at the end of fifth hour. Okay, 1600 bacteria will be there at the end of fifth hour. Okay, at the end of fifth hour. At the end of fifth hour means T6. Then question number 12 is what? A ball is dropped from height of 80 feet. The ball is such that it rebounds 3/4 of height. It has fallen. How high does the ball rebounds on 6th bounce? How high does the ball rebounds on nth bounce? So here, what is the initial height? See, at from which it is dropped. Question number 12 करते हैं. Look at this question number 12. A ball is dropped from the height of 80 feet. मतलब A T1 is equal to 80 feet. Okay, yes. Then it rebounds 3/4 of the height it has fallen. मतलब ये है common ratio. R is equal to 3/4. Yes. how high does the ball rebounds on sixth bounce? So first bounce means what? T2, ये है T1, फर्स्ट बाउंस मतलब T2, हमें सिक्स बाउंस चाहिए, सो सिक्स बाउंस मतलब ओके, सिक्स बाउंस मतलब T7 चाहिए. T7 is AR raised to power 6, is 80 into R. R is equal to how much? 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4 raised to power 6. Okay, this much feet height. Okay, after sixth bounce. Then next question is what? How high does ball rebounds on nth ball? On nth bounce. See here, nth bounce. Okay, nth bounce means Tn plus 1 चाहिए, which is AR raised to power n. A is 80 or R is equal to how much? 3 by 4 raised to power n feet. So this much height after nth bounce, this much height after sixth bounce. So yes children, we did question number up to question number 12 from this exercise. Remaining questions we do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.